Oh man, this is...
How it feels?
I don't know, but I'm worried about getting back.
Oh, it's not.
Throw me the rope.
It's not the ocean. You can always get back.
Well, I don't have an oar. I don't have anything to row with.
Yep.
Oh, I'll throw you. That's it. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Oh, and we gotta make sure that we're gonna be able to go.
Now try to turn the other way.
And I don't want any leaks. I'm checking the leaks first.
Yeah, no leaks.
Turn the other way.
Slow, Gino, slow. We gotta make sure we're gonna go. Come.
Turn up the other way.
That's what I'm saying. It's not going.
Yep, it's working. It's working. It's turning.
Don't go that far. You don't know.
It takes time.
Snapping turtles. We don't know what's over there. Gino, it's not turning much. You're not even moving.
Moving fast. There we go.
La 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 la.
Bye bye.
How is it, Wadu?
It's cool. It's working. No leaks.
That's good.
Oh, you were detecting, Gino. Anything bad happened, you were gonna fall in the water.
It feels good.
Working.
Good.
You want to stay there another round?
It's cool.
Are you allowed?
I'm gonna let you come out here because I gotta finish my work. But this is actually cool. Down there's nothing but green. You know, hold up.
I know. You have to done.
I wonder how the ducks will feel.
There they go.
How come you're not there? It's too heavy, 3 people can't be there?
Now, it's all it is just at the back. You have to put your foot in the water, maybe.
Okay.
So.
Why can't I just go in the back, Dad, while they go in the front and it won't be...
Okay, well we'll just wait. You have time to go. I have to finish stuff, but you're fine.
Hey, how are you feeling?
Feels good. I will be on the night.
You have to put your foot
Lot of exercise.
My turn?
No, down.
Oh, you guys have a handle on it.
Yeah, not straight.
I'm just saying
Middle.
that.
Middle.
I want to get in. Jump in the water. This one.
No.
No, Gino. Put the
Gina, don't play around over there
Let's put that
because that is a broken deck.
Yeah, that needs to be actually.
I'm going to look for life is going lower.
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. But be careful, don't walk on this deck because you see it's already broken.
Gina, get your life vest. We're coming in. Whoa, Mom.
They're coming in, Gino. Get your life vest. They're coming in so you can go out.
But it is leaning towards Thomas.
Honey, of course it's going to lean towards Tommy. She has the most weight.
He's too heavy.
No, he's not too heavy. I was just in there. It's no problem.
Was was one leaning too?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, you're not going to do it now. Another day.
I hope you guys coming back.
Guys, wouldn't it be better? We have a lake in a backyard and yeah. Hey, Thomas,
Ja.
se plastic bag nyt sinne.
Okej.
Underneath.
Mä lämpöt tän erä.
Ja.
Gino, keep yourself forward now. My goodness.
Did you see any turtles?
No, they all ran over.
What about the alligators?
I'm gonna jump.
Thomas.
Yeah. Okay. Gina, you have to pedaling.
Pepper,
Denver, push it. You going around.
I want to get back to land. We're not.
Denver, you are the captain. You have to make sure it goes where it's supposed to go.
Denver's the captain.
Yep.
We're going in, my bro.
All right.
You leaving? Look how good I am at.
Good job. Okay, let me get the rope.